The problem is Teemo attacking. So the question is, our hero Teemo is attacking an enemy Ash with poison attacks. When Teemo attacks Ash, Ash gets poisoned for exactly duration seconds. More formally, an attack at second t will mean Ash is poisoned during the inclusion time interval t to t plus duration minus 1. If Teemo attacks again before the poison ends, the timer for it is resets and the poison effect will end. Duration seconds after the new attacks. You are given a non-decreasing integer array time series where time series of 5 denotes that Teemo attacks Ash at second time series of 5 and an integer duration. Return the total number of seconds that Ash is poisoned. So the question says, we have given a time series, an array of time series, which is non-decreasing order. Means it is an increasing order. It is an increasing, or just we can have same values like 1, 4, 4, 5. It is a non-decreasing array. So it is a time series. Time series is time series of I represents Teemo attacks Ash at second at this second. Teemu attacks Ash at first second. Teemu attacks Ash at fourth second. So it represents Teemu attacks Ash at seconds. So it is a non-decreasing array time series which represents Teemu's attacking second. Teemu is attacking on which second? Okay, and duration is for how long the Teemu is attacking with poison. So duration represents how long the effect of poison will stay there. How long it affects Ash, the poison effect Ash. So we have given a array 1, 4 and duration is 2. So we have to find the answer. We have to return total number of seconds that Ash is poisoned. Okay, so they have given we can they have given the array is 1 comma 4. Array is 1 comma 4. So Teemo will attack at first second. So the duration is from t is this, from t to t plus duration minus 1, and we have to include both of them. So what's the duration? Duration is from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So we can include in our answer, we can include first and second, and second. So we have answer is 2. At I equal to 0, we have answer is 2. Now Teemo will attack at fourth second. At fourth second, the duration is from 4 to t plus duration minus 1. T plus duration minus 1. We have to include both of them. So it is from 4 to 5. So if we will include them, we have given 4 plus 5, 4 and 5, which is 2. So answer here also 2. So if we will add both of the answer, the total answer will become 4, as they have given here. Teemo attacks on Ash go as follows. At second 1, Teemo attacks and Ash is poisoned for second 1 and 2. At second 4, Teemo attacks and Ash is poisoned for seconds 4 and 5. So Ash is poisoned for second 1, 2, 4 and 5, which is 4 seconds in total. So our answer is 4. But now, if let's say the time series is 1 and 2 and duration is 2, then what is the answer? Let's say the time series is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and duration is 2. So for first I equal to 1. For first second, what we will do? Simply 1, from 1 to 1 plus 2 minus 1. From first to second, first plus duration minus 1, as they have given. They have given this thing. They have given t, from t to t plus duration minus 1. So we have used this. So the answer is from 1 to 2. So answer is 2. Okay. For I equals to 0, the answer is 2. For I equal to 1, if I is here, then I equal to 1. The answer, what is the answer? The answer is for t equal to 2. We'll say the answer is from t, from 2 to 2 plus 2 minus 1. 2 to 3. Okay. But now we can see we have included second num we have included second already. We have included the number 2 already. So we can't include it again. We have included it already. So we can't include it again. So we can't say Timo is poison for second 1, for second 2, for second 2, and for second 3. No, it is not that. We have to say the steam the ash is poison for 1, second 2, and second 3. Okay. So for this we will include only 3. So answer is 1 and total answer is 3. So you have given an idea what's the problem. If the last last answer which last answer we have found, last answer we have calculate, if this answer is if this answer is less than this number, when array was 1 comma 4, when array was 1 comma 4, so this answer, last answer, this this last second is less than this second, is less than from this number. If this last second is less than from this number, we can simply add, we can simply find this duration and add them. Okay. If now, but if this last second is not less than, is equal to, or it's greater than this second, for in this case 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, this last second is equal to this, it is equal to or equal, it is greater than this number. So what we have to do, we have to simply find its answer. We will simply find this answer. We will simply find its last second. It is 3, which we will find this range. We will find this range. We will find from how the maximum second it is going, the maximum second it is going, it is going till 3, it is going till 3. So what we will do, we will simply minus this, we will simply minus this last second from this second. What we will do, we will say if it is going from 1 comma 2 in first second, and it is going from 2 comma 3 in second. So if this second is not less than, it is this second is not less than this array number, if this second is not less than this array number, what we have to do, we have to minus, we have to we have to reduce this effect. We have to which numbers we have included, we have included 1 comma 2. Okay. So we have to reduce this. No, we can't take this range, this whole range. We can't take 2 comma 3, we can't take 2 and 3 both. We have to reduce this two number, we have to reduce, which we have included, we have to reduce this. To reduce this, what we can do, we can simply minus this number, we can simply minus this number, this last second from this second. So which numbers this range have included, this range will, we will subtract from this range. Okay. This range, which numbers this range have included, we will subtract this range from this number. So in this case, what we will do, we will simply find 3. We will simply find 3 from 2 plus 2 minus 1, and we will say, we will take a variable previous. We will take a variable previous. In previous, we will store the last second. So here last second is 2. Last second is 2, and we will, so simply we will say answer. We will say answer plus equal to this 3 minus previous. We will say answer is equal to 3 minus previous. If it is less than, if this last second is less than this array number, if it is less than this array number, then we will simply add this. We will simply add this whole range. We will simply add this whole range. We will not we will not we will not subtract this previous. Okay. So the solution is now what we have taken. The answer initialized with 0. We have taken a previously it is int. We have taken the minimum value. We will say it is less than, from nums of I, because in first to second, first is 1 2 anything, first in 0th position there is any second, we will take it because there is not previous anything, so we have to take its whole range. So we have simply take previous is int main. So because we have given this condition now, this if this previous is less than this array number, then what we have to do, we have to add them simply. Okay. So in initially we have to add this second we have to add. So we will say this previous is always less than, at initially this previous is always less than this number. Okay. We'll say this previous is always less than this number. So simply what I have done, I have taken a previous, it is int main, and a temp variable. So I have done a for loop from I equal to 0 till the time series size. So there are two conditions. If the previous is less than this array, nums of is less than this second time series of I, if this previous is less than this array's element, then what we will do, we will simply add this duration. Answer plus equal to d, and we will store the last number of the duration. We will store the last number of duration in previous. What we are doing, we are storing this last number of the duration in previous. Okay. We have stored 2 in this previous. Okay. Here from first example we have stored 2. Then we will again come at 4. We will say for for example we are doing this, then we will come at 2. We'll again check if 2 is less than 2, that it is not less than. So what we are doing, we are finding a temp. We are finding this range. We are finding this 3. Okay. In temp we are finding this 3. So 3 is nums of I plus duration minus 1. Nums of I or time series of I plus duration minus 1. Okay. This time series of I plus duration minus 1. And what we are doing, we are simply reducing this previous. We are simply subtracting this previous from temp. We are simply subtracting this previous. This we have found. This we have found previously. 2 is found previously. So now what we are doing? We are doing 3 minus 2, and we are adding this in an answer. Also we will update this previous. Now previous is this. Previous is what is previous? Previous is this 3. Previous is last number of the duration. So what we are doing, we are updating the previous and adding the temp minus previous in the answer. And if it is less than time series of I, then we are simply adding the answer and updating the previous. Then at last we are returning the answer. So we can run the code. So our code is working, and its time complexity is order of n. Thank you.